And then I remember that last year, before I entered Parliament, I was complaining about MPs and why MPs wanted sirens.
Welcome to this episode of the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Honorable Kwame Asare Obeng, Dodona name say, your friend Kwame A+. They say, parliamentarian, so he's now called Honorable. Now, he represents the good people of Gomua Central. Now, before Kwame A+ would even head to Parliament, he used to be a pundit on many shows. I said, how he feels about things. He was a very, very avid critic of many things. Now politicians be now more. And so many people believe, if you give the chance to Kwame A+ to go to Parliament there, Jama or no nonsense guy, he's going to really buga and then all those things. Now, not the typical politician that will want to take advantage of the people and will want things done a particular way or want to lobby things a particular way. So that is why the people of Gomua Central voted for Kwame A+. Now, just a few minutes or a few days after swearing in of Kwame A+, the statements of Kwame A+ are beginning to change in terms of the language of Kwame A+ is gradually changing from the Kwame A+ that we all used to know, the very, very problematic, dramatic Kwame A+ to a politician. Why am I saying that? Kwame A+ says that he has made a mistake. Now, what is a mistake, Kwame A+? What is the mistake you've made? Kwame A+ says that when he was not in Parliament, in fact, he did not understand why MPs should have sirens in their car. When Akufo-Addo government sent that bill to Parliament, now MPs, they have to get a siren so that when there's traffic and they are going to Parliament, there will be the people will give them way so they can easily get through and through from Parliament. Kwame A+ said those days no bash Akufo-Addo and Akufo-Addo government nye we ne here say we ne here na sana we ne fata na siren say na we ni on pini na. That was Kwame A+ for you. They be on now UnitedShow biz okikana adwen. And then Kwame A+ say why a mistake.
It is not an easy task at all. Today, for instance, I was with the president in my constituency. The Ahmadiyya Muslim had their convention, annual convention, and it's in my constituency. That's where they have it in Gomomazi.
Okay.
And I had to be at the convention, and I had to be in Parliament at the same time.
Wow.
And then I remember that last year, before I entered Parliament, I was complaining about MPs and why MPs wanted sirens. And I called my friend and said, "Are you?" He's a dispatch rider. I said, "Where are you?" He said, "I'm at my place." I said, "Please, I need you to take me out of this traffic and get me to the constituency now and bring me back to Parliament."
Wow.
So I came to understand why they were. And can you imagine somebody whose constituency is somewhere in, say, Paga, and you have to go there with the president and then come back to Parliament? I think that I'm in a position to explain what happens and what parliamentarians go through.
Yeah.
Just a few days, about 1 week, as an MP, when who say Sana, that law, and I said that law that Akufo-Addo's government wanted to bring to allow MPs to have sirens in their vehicles, and who he and Esan said just because he had to go to the constituency to attend the program with His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and then from there he had to run back to Parliament, and it took the assistance of a police dispatch rider for him to be able to skip traffic and quickly do the rounds. And that got a lot of Ghanaians talking, and so people have been commenting about what Kwame A+ has said. And we are here to tell you some of the thoughts of Ghanaians, what Ghanaians are saying on social media about this new stance by Kwame A+, Honorable Kwame Asare Obeng, who is now the MP for the good people of Gomua. Now, this is Nana Boakye. He said, "I told you, noise activated, and people did not understand. Time will surely tell." Nana Boakye says that He knew that Kwame A Plus was just a noisemaker, and now time is exposing Kwame A Plus. Ajay Williams says that you think this is United Showbiz, where you sit and speak nonsense to Ghanaians? That is the thought of Ajay Williams. So see, governance na United Showbiz are there is a difference in when you are in the soup and when you are out of the soup. Kwame Gentle says, you did complain. You are not going to be offered any siren car. Kwame Gentle says that since Kwame A Plus was against the siren when he was not in parliament, now that he is in parliament, nobody is going to agree that Kwame A Plus should be given any siren car. You see, I buy the bought the chino and no answer na the boba. Yes, sir. Odinga Nana Mensah says that he will begin to bleed out more than the bereaved party. And say Kwame A Plus no best son. Kofi Ajare says that now he is a pity. Now he pities. He has pity for parliamentarians. Ofui. That is Kwame Ajare. Say, hey, I feel here. You know parliamentarians need siren. Cut of the nubu get. Ayi Yayi says that you think it is United Showbiz. You talk noises. You talk noises everywhere. Jamila John says that you think talking is cheap. You don't see anything yet. That is coming from Jamila John. Talk is cheap, but when you get there, say the job no the ground. Bless Blink says that when it is coming, it is doing. Tell Captain Smart to keep quiet. I say Kwame A Plus should go and tell Captain Smart to keep quiet. Go for this stray bullet. Theophilus Entry Boedu says that if you are not in the kitchen, you will not know how the place is. So say uye bemana ushe living room hono and and you are ready here. Go to the kitchen and see. The process is take for the food to be ready. And Pofo Prince says that you go know. You go know. Somebody is laughing. Michael Sapon says that he can talk the whole day. Interesting times ahead. Francis says that at first now he figure say he be muff. Sana I know be muff. This is coming from Jeremiah Gosway. He thinks it is that easy. It's not easy, yo. George Stephen Osei said that something country will have an MP like Kwame A Plus. Daniel Christakode says that A Plus Ghanaians don't need any education at this time. We are going to use the same yardstick that has been used over the past to measure you. Exactly what we are going to do. Jima Jama says that you've not seen anything yet. Talker boy. NS says that hypocrisy is your hallmark. Papwe says that hypocrites. So those are some of the comments that are coming from Ghanaians concerning the latest comment by Kwame A Plus that he has not done well criticizing Akufo-Addo's government when they wanted to bring sirens for parliamentarians. Now that he is a parliamentarian, he has seen say indeed parliamentarians need a siren. But this is my thought about this whole thing. Look, listen. See, governance is not easy. It is not a child's play to be a leader. Leadership is not a joke. And so if people are in leadership position, we must accord them some level of respect. Because truthfully, what many people are doing, maybe I might not be able to do. It's just like football match. It is easy to be outside and to be criticizing the coach. Say, as a coach in your selection way, so to do your way, so your way. But when you are put in the soup, when you are given the chance, just a day, say, oh, manage it, you will not be able to. But because Kwame A Plus has been loud and very clear before he went to parliament, nobody is going to entertain any excuses. We are going to hold him by his own standards, the same standards he set for Akufo-Addo MPs. That is the standard we are going to hold Kwame A Plus by. This has been a political rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification at any time videos of this nature are uploaded. You'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. See you in the next one. Cheers.